Throughout the course and throughout the projects, you'll see me in the terminal. And so even though I'm on a Windows machine, I'll use this git bash terminal. So here I have it open, and it allows me to run a terminal, which is more similar to a Linux or Mac terminal than it is a Windows command line. And so if you want to follow along and run these commands, if you are on a Mac or Linux, it should the same or very similar. But if you're on Windows and want to get this set up, we'll go through that now. If you previously installed Git, the version control tool, then you probably already have git bash installed as well. If not, you can install them both now. So if you go to git-scm.com/downloads and then click download for Windows, and then select whatever bit your machine is. And once that executable is finished downloading, we can click it to run it. And we can accept the license and then click install. And after it's done installing, you should be able to type into your Windows application search, git space bash, and it will be an application that you can open, and you'll be able to work in this git bash terminal. So you can cd around or ls and do the typical terminal commands.